Welcome to Credit, your financial powerhouse. Credit is power. It's a tool. Use it wisely, and it can unlock a world of financial opportunities, helping you achieve your dreams. Ignore it, and you might face unnecessary hurdles on your path to financial security. Understanding credit is not just about knowing how to use credit cards, it's about taking control of your financial future. Your credit history tells a story. It's a record of your financial responsibility. Lenders use this to decide if you're a good risk. A good credit history opens doors to lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even better rental opportunities. It's a passport to financial freedom. But credit is a double-edged sword. Used recklessly, it can lead to a mountain of debt, stress, and financial instability. This knowledge empowers you to make smart choices, avoid pitfalls, and build a solid financial foundation. Now let's explore the magic of credit cards. Spend smart, build wealth. Credit cards can be fantastic tools if used responsibly. They offer convenience, allowing you to make purchases online and in person without carrying large sums of cash. Credit cards also provide a safety net for emergencies, offering access to funds when you need them most. Building a positive credit history is another significant benefit of responsible credit card use. By charging regularly and paying your bills on time, you demonstrate financial trustworthiness to lenders. This positive track record can open doors to better loan terms and credit card offers in the future. However, it's crucial to remember that credit cards are not free money. To avoid falling into a debt trap, always strive to pay your credit card balance in full and on time. Moving on to credit scores, your financial report card. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It's like a report card for your financial health, summarizing your credit history into a single, easily understandable number. Lenders, landlords, and even potential employers use this score to assess your financial responsibility and determine your eligibility for loans, apartments, or even jobs. Several factors contribute to your credit score. Your payment history, which tracks whether you pay your bills on time, carries the most weight. A higher credit score generally translates to better interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money over time. Finally, let's discuss how to boost your score, climb the credit ladder. Improving your credit score is an achievable goal with consistent effort and smart financial habits. One of the most effective ways to boost your score is to consistently pay your bills on time. Set up reminders or consider enrolling in automatic payments to avoid missed deadlines. Additionally, keep your credit card balances low. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%, meaning you're using less than 30% of your available credit limit. Another strategy is to review your credit report regularly for errors or inaccuracies. Mistakes can happen, and correcting them promptly can lead to a significant score improvement. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can gradually improve your credit score and unlock better financial opportunities. Section 5. The don'ts of credit. Steer clear of debt traps. While credit cards can be valuable tools, it's crucial to be aware of their potential pitfalls and avoid common mistakes that can lead to debt. One of the biggest mistakes is to view credit cards as free money. Remember that every charge you make on your credit card is a loan that you need to repay eventually. Avoid overspending and only charge what you can afford to repay when the bill arrives. Another common pitfall is making only the minimum payment on your credit card balance. Minimum payments often barely cover the interest accrued, leaving your principal balance largely untouched. Additionally, avoid closing old credit card accounts, even if you no longer use them. The length of your credit history contributes to your credit score, and closing old accounts can shorten it, potentially lowering your score. Section 6. Responsible credit use. Building a secure future. Using credit responsibly is fundamental to building a secure financial future. One crucial aspect of responsible credit use is creating a realistic budget and sticking to it. Track your income and expenses diligently to understand your cash flow and identify areas where you can cut back. This practice allows you to make informed decisions about your credit card usage and ensures that you're not living beyond your means. Another essential aspect is to distinguish between wants and needs. Before making a purchase with your credit card, ask yourself if it's a necessity or something you can postpone or live without. By approaching credit with a responsible and disciplined approach, you can harness its power to your advantage, and build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. While often associated with spending, credit can be a powerful tool for building wealth if used strategically. By leveraging credit wisely, you can accelerate your path to financial freedom and achieve your financial goals faster. One way to leverage credit for wealth creation is through investing. By obtaining a low-interest loan, you can invest in assets like real estate or stocks, potentially earning a higher return than the interest you're paying on the loan. Another approach is to utilize credit to start or expand a business. Business loans can provide the necessary capital for inventory, equipment, or marketing, enabling entrepreneurs to grow their ventures and generate income. However, it's crucial to have a solid business plan and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Remember, leveraging credit for wealth creation requires careful planning, discipline, and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. Managing your credit wisely is an ongoing process that requires discipline, organization, and a proactive approach. By implementing effective strategies, you can maintain a healthy credit profile and unlock numerous financial opportunities. One crucial strategy is to monitor your credit report regularly. As mentioned earlier, you can obtain free credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus annually. Review these reports carefully for any errors or inaccuracies and dispute them promptly to ensure your credit score accurately reflects your financial history. Another essential strategy is to set up payment reminders or utilize automatic payments to avoid missed deadlines. Additionally, keep your credit card balances low and strive for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. This demonstrates responsible credit management and positively impacts your score. Navigating the complexities of credit can be challenging, and there's no shame in seeking help when needed. Numerous resources and organizations are available to provide guidance and support on your credit journey. Reputable financial counseling agencies offer free or low-cost services to help you develop a personalized budget, manage debt, and improve your credit score. These agencies employ certified credit counselors who can provide personalized advice and empower you to make informed financial decisions. Another valuable resource is online credit education platforms. Many websites and apps offer comprehensive information about credit, including credit scores, reports, and responsible credit management practices. These platforms often provide interactive tools and calculators to help you track your progress and make informed financial decisions. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a proactive step towards regaining control of your finances. Credit is a powerful tool that can either propel you towards financial freedom or hinder your progress. By understanding the intricacies of credit, practicing responsible credit management, and seeking help when needed, you can unlock numerous financial opportunities and achieve your financial goals. Remember that building a positive credit history takes time and consistent effort. It's a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to making sound financial decisions. By embracing the principles of responsible credit use, you can pave the way for a brighter and more secure financial future. Start by setting realistic financial goals, creating a budget that aligns with your income and expenses, and tracking your spending diligently. Embrace the power of credit responsibly, and watch as it unlocks a world of financial opportunities, empowering you to achieve your dreams and live a financially secure life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your credit and achieving financial freedom.